Welcome to my online course, How to Prepare for an Interview. My name is Andrew Pyle and I've been helping people succeed in job interviews for the last few years. Okay, I am the author of I'm Getting Out, which is a book that helps British service personnel make the transition to civilian life and helps them through that employment process. I've helped hundreds of service leavers and help them overcome some of the barriers when it comes to finding and securing employment and going through that interview process. I've been working with unemployed people for over 2 years and identifying the challenges that they face. And I've been working with individual clients who are looking to move their career to the next stage, whether it's for a management position or whether it's for a position with a bigger and better organisation. And through all of this, I've realised that there are common things within the interview process that if people had a course that explained these things step by step, they would be able to have the success that I am able to offer people, you know, as if I was with you face to face. Fortunately, the luxury of the internet means that you can now take online courses like this and take the advantage of my skills and my experiences and learn everything that I've been researching and studying and putting into practice over the last few years. So many of you might be concerned about the idea of buying an online course. Perhaps this is the first time you've bought an online course for the first time. So that you're happy there's no shenanigans going on, Udemy, which hosts this course, operate a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So any time in the next 30 days you don't feel as though you've got value for money, okay, then you are fully entitled to ask and get your money back that you've paid for this course. Okay, so straight up, there's no risk. There really isn't. And one of the other things that you're going to get out of this course, as well as understanding how the employment and interview process works, at the end of this course are 10 mock interviews that you will be able to take through this course and study and your own ability. You'll be able to refine your interview ability. So you may think, okay, I think my skills are okay when it comes to an interview. There are 10 mock interviews at the end and I will show you how to pull apart your own interview technique, your own interview style, and how to reflect and take your skills to the next level so that you could get the job that you want.